Welcome to the Sankarang Book Review Podcast. I'm Swara Dange from MK Sancheti Public School. I'm excited you to introduce a new segment featuring book review, and I'm also excited you to introduce my friend from MK Sancheti Public School. Welcome, Snehal.
Thank you for inviting me.
Today we are going to discuss about the book that you have read, and I'm going to ask you some questions. I'm eager to know about the book that you have read and the author also.
The book I have read is Little Women by Loza M. Alcott. The story is about the hardships the March family and the March family girls faced and the joys they met and new relations they made when their father was away fulfilling his duty as a priest in the war.
This shows that you have gone through the story very well. Snehal, I wanted to know about the main characters in the story.
The main characters in the story are the March family members. We start from the eldest, the father. The father is a tall, kind-hearted person. He is a priest and has gone to the war to fulfill his duty. Then the mother, she's also a tall, kind-hearted woman. She loves to help the poor and she always helps their poor neighbors. Then the come sisters. The eldest of them all is Meg. Her full name is Margaret, but we prefer to call her Meg. She's 16 and she is a delicate kind of girl. She loves her silk dress and everything that is a girly type girls. Things like silk dress, and she loves to get ready. She works as a tutor for children. Then the second sister is Josephine. She is a tomboyish type girl and hates when someone calls her Jo. So, no, when someone calls her Josephine, so she makes everyone call her Jo. She says that her only beauty is her long hair and she works as a caretaker for their Aunt March. And the third sister is Elizabeth, we call her Beth, and she loves piano. She's an artist and she loves music and everyone loves her because of her kind-hearted nature. Then the fourth sister, the youngest of them all, is Amy. She loves drawing and thinks she's a very important person. So the combined, we say that the March family is full of kind-hearted people.
You have given the description very greatly of the one of the March family. So, which scene touched your heart the most?
The scene that touched my heart the most is probably when I think Elizabeth, she falls ill in scarlet fever. The story behind the scarlet fever is when the mother leaves, she gets a telegram that the father is ill. She goes to the father to take care of him. So when, as I told you, the mother always helps their poor neighbors. So the all sisters are busy. So Beth goes there to help them. The baby is having scarlet fever and the baby is in Elizabeth's hand. The baby dies in her hands. It's a very traumatizing thing for something to happen to her, and the fever gets passed on to her, which is, I think, deadly. And it is very painful. First, she is very traumatized. The baby dies in her hands, and then the pain is also very much. She isn't able to move properly. She isn't able to stand up, and they can't even call the mother because it will put her in a difficult situation to choose between taking care of the ill father or Elizabeth. So she's in pain. She's traumatized. That's a very bad thing to happen to such a kind-hearted person. She's a very nice. So that's the most emotional probably scene.
This scene is very traumatizing for her, Elizabeth, that baby dies in her hand. It's very traumatizing for her to face this type of difficult situations. So is there any character in the story that you are not going to forget in your entire life?
The character that I'm not going to forget in my entire life would probably be Josephine. Because she, as I said, is a tomboyish girl. She says that her hair are her only beauty. And when, as I said, that telegram thing, that the mother gets a telegram and she leaves for the father to get her journey comfortable and to for the care of her father and make it more little bit to her father so that father will heal properly, like that. She cuts her hair, and for money that she gets from that cutting her hair, she gives it to their mother so that she would travel comfortably and would the father would be taken care of very comfortable, nicely. So that's when I realized that she's a very sacrificing girl. She loved a family above anything. She is a angry type of girl. She gets angry very easily, but that's what I love about her.
So this shows that she is very sacrificing. Oh, if you have been asked to be one of the March sister, you would probably choose Joe, won't you?
Yes, for sure, I will choose Joe, and so Joe is very type of nice character, so I will probably choose her.
As we have seen, in every stories there are some positive as well as negative character. So, is there any character which is negative?
There isn't character who's negative or like villain type character. It's the behavior of the character. If you found sometimes that it is very bad behavior, or why is the character behaving like that, we think. So that's just the need of the time of the character in the story. No character is negative or villain. It's just the matter of the time how they act.
So you are basically trying to say that it's just a need of the time of the character in the story. So, what kind of books you usually like to read? Like what you prefer most?
I usually prefer to read comedy and humorous books.
As you have told, you love humorous and comedy books. But the book that you have chosen, it's very, it's serious kind of book. So how did you stumble upon this book?
As I said, I like humorous and comedy books, and that this book is serious type of book. So at first, I also thought this book is boring because I like comedy and humorous books. But as I went through it and reached the end of this book, I realized that sometimes we should read another type of books like serious and emotional, and also because that this book is a special book. It teaches us the moral values that we miss in our real life.
It's very fascinating answer. So, what are the things which makes this book different from the other books that you have read?
The moral values that this book gives us, the thing that this book shows us that we should respect anyone despite of their profession, their despite of their profession, and if they are poor, rich, and if they are elder than us or younger than us, and also that we should value our relations, and that nothing is bigger than our family. Moral values that we miss in our real life, somehow we miss it in our real life. This book shows us that in a way that we will probably notice it.
Would you recommend this book to your friend or not?
Yes, for sure, I will recommend this book to my friends, because especially to the friends who like serious and comedy, serious and this type of books, emotional, which shows us moral values and this kind of books, and also to the friends who don't like this kind of books, because I also liked humorous and comedy books before reading this book, but sometimes you have to try something new.
Hope you all enjoyed this book review podcast, and the book Little Women teaches us moral values, family connection in very emotional way. So after this book review podcast, everybody will be interested to this book. Thank you.